The Aloe Rice Oil is a serious multitasker. It's going to hydrate, soften, protect the hair and the scalp. All you need to do, you can use it as a daily treatment, it's non-greasy, or you can use it as a pre-wash treatment. I'm going to use it as pre-wash, so I'm just going to put a couple of drops in my hand, warm them up, and put it on about an hour before you're going to wash your hair. And I'm just going to work it in, not too much at the top of my roots. My hair gets quite greasy if I put loads on. I'm just going to work it into my hair. Just put a few more, just keep the drops coming, warm it up. I'm going to put a towel around my hair just to keep the oil warm, and I'm going to leave it for 1 hour, and then I'm going to wash my hair. I would really recommend the Aloe Rice Bundle set or any of the products individually, particularly if you've got dehydrated or over-coloured hair. It has really smoothed out my hair, taken away the frizziness, left it in really good condition. There's no greasiness at all. So yeah, highly recommend it. The Replenhair Aloe Rice set.